Introduction. Long back, do you know how people used to measure the length of objects? They used their palm, forearm, or feet to measure the length of the objects. But these methods never gave accurate results. Nowadays, we make use of ruler, metric scale, and measuring tape to measure the accurate length and height of the objects. Let us learn the correct method of using a scale. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to measure the length of objects using a ruler, measure length in meters and centimeter, understand the relation between meter and centimeter. I need 4 centimeter long paper. What will I use to measure the length? Yes, you are correct. A ruler will help me to measure length. You find many divisions on the margin of the ruler. Some lines are longer, while others are smaller. The longer lines represent the number in centimeters. The small lines between two long lines represent divisions of centimeter. Now we will learn to read a scale. Example. This is 2 centimeters. This is half centimeter. Similarly, this is 4.5 centimeter. Ruku wants to measure the length of different objects. Will you help him? Click on each object to measure its length. A ruler comes in different length. The first ruler seen can measure length up to 15 centimeters. The second ruler seen can measure length up to 30 centimeters. But a ruler cannot measure all objects. Ruler is used to measure only short length objects such as pencil, stick, notebook, duster, comb, etc. A measuring tape is used to measure long things. Now it's your turn to measure the length of the given object. Observe the image carefully and click the correct answer. Your mother is in market to buy shirt cloth. Can the shopkeeper measure a shirt piece with a ruler? Yes, he can measure, but the work would be tedious and time-consuming. He measures it with the help of metric tape. It will take less time and less effort. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We can measure the height of the almirah by using measuring tape. The height of the almirah is 200 centimeters. Therefore, we can say that the height of the almirah is 2 meters. Similarly, the length of walking stick is 100 centimeters, or we can say 1 meter. Let us compare the length of the various things. Some of the objects have their length in meters, while some of them are so small that they are measured in centimeters only. The length of a bread loaf is expressed in centimeters. The length of a matchbox is expressed in centimeters. The length of a skipping rope is expressed in meters. The length of a bus is expressed in meters. Match each of the following pictures with the correct length of its object. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. We use ruler, metric scale, and measuring tape to measure length. Ruler is used to measure length of small objects. Length can be measured in centimeters and meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter.